Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to stick to good habits, yet so easy to fall into bad ones? Most people think you need iron willpower or massive goals to change your life. But the truth is much simpler. Today, we're diving into one of the best-selling books in the world, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book reveals how tiny 1% improvements every single day can make you 37 times better by the end of the year. Let's discover how to build a system that works for you, not against you, and finally break the habits that are holding you back. 1. The core philosophy: small changes, big results. The book is built on the idea that small 1% improvements every day lead to massive results over time through the power of compounding. While a 1% change might seem unnoticeable in the moment, if you get 1% better each day for a year, you will end up 37 times better by the time you're done. Conversely, a 1% decline daily leads to nearly zero. Clear argues that if you are having trouble changing your habits, the problem isn't you, it's your system. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Goals are good for setting a direction, but systems are best for making actual progress. 2. Identity-based habits. Clear identifies 3 levels of behavior change: changes and outcomes, what you get; processes, what you do; and identity, what you believe. Most people focus on outcomes, but the most effective way to change is to focus on who you wish to become. The goal is not to read a book, the goal is to become a reader. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. By proving your new identity to yourself through small wins, you can transform your underlying beliefs and make long-term change easier. 3. The 4 laws of behavior change. Habits are a feedback loop consisting of 4 stages: cue, craving, response, and reward. Clear transforms these into 4 laws for building good habits and breaking bad ones. The first law: make it obvious. Cue. Implementation intentions. Be specific about when and where you will act by using the formula: I will behavior at time in location. Habit stacking. Tie a new habit to a current one. After current habit, I will new habit. Environment design. Reorganize your surroundings to make the cues for good habits more visible and the cues for bad habits invisible. The second law: make it attractive. Craving. Temptation bundling. Pair an action you need to do with an action you want to do. Social norms. Join a culture where your desired behavior is the normal behavior. Mindset shift. Instead of saying you have to do something, say you get to do it to highlight the benefits. The third law: make it easy. Response. Reduce friction. Decrease the number of steps between you and your good habits. The 2-minute rule. When starting a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. The goal is to master the gateway habit of showing up. Commitment devices. Use a choice in the present to lock in better behavior in the future, e.g., buying smaller plates to eat less. The fourth law: make it satisfying. Reward. Immediate reinforcement. Use a small, immediate reward when you complete a habit to satisfy the brain's craving for instant gratification. Habit tracking. Use a calendar or log to provide visual evidence of your progress. Never miss twice. If you miss one day, try to get back on track as quickly as possible to prevent a new bad habit from forming. 4. Advanced tactics for mastery. The Goldilocks rule: to stay motivated, work on tasks of just manageable difficulty, tasks that are right on the edge of your current ability. Falling in love with boredom. The difference between a professional and an amateur is the ability to show up and do the work even when it is no longer exciting. Reflection and review. While habits are the foundation for mastery, they can also lead to complacency. Periodically review your habits and beliefs to ensure they are still serving you. Ultimately, the secret to results that last is never stopping. Small habits don't just add up, they compound over a lifetime. Ultimately, success isn't a one-time event. It's the result of small habits repeated every day. The real difference between a professional and an amateur is the ability to show up and do the work even when it gets boring. Always remember James Clear's golden rule. Never miss twice. If you fall off track, get back on as quickly as possible. Start today with the 2-minute rule and cast a vote for the person you want to become. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What is the first habit you're going to start tomorrow? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.